Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2023 Volkswagen Transporter. This is the long wheelbase model in a lovely silver. So I am just taking you around the vehicle now. As you can see, it does indeed have a tailgate rather than barn doors. And if we head into the cab, I can show you that there is 3 seats, 2 of which are a bench seat, and as the driver you do of course get maximum comfort with some armrests as well. Now if I do just open up the back here, I can show you that this is a ply-lined panel van, and then I will go around to the back as well, show you through here. One thing I would just like to point out as well is we do have interior lighting in here. There's a very clean bulkhead with no dead scratches or bumps in it, suggesting the last person who used it was only carrying very light loads. And we do of course have some cargo rings as well, 6 of which if you'd like to tie down any cargo you may be carrying. Now if we just head round to the driver's seat here, I will just show you some of the conveniences with this van. Now first of all, I can tell you that this is a manual rather than an automatic. It does come with cruise control, voice assist, air conditioning, and if I just pop you over to the menu here, we do have things all the way from, you know, the radio to pop it into reverse. We do have park distance control as well. Thank you.